All right, now we're in Vermont at about 2,400 feet in elevation. This is Somerset Road that leads to the Somerset airfield, free and dispersed camping. From my understanding, it's an open grassy field that you just park on and camp if you're car camping like me, or set up a tent. And then there's also free and dispersed areas strewn throughout off the dirt roads. Now hold on, I don't know where to go, so I'm gonna pause it. All right, here's the road. I guess you're on this little, it's paved. It's really ruddy, but it's paved. Sure glad I got a Subaru Outback. All right, I'll... What's this? That was a little dam. Oh, water. Okay, here we are. Some tents already. Facilities. Handicap accessible. All right, let's see what we got here. Wicked wet ground. Let's see. All right, camping rules. Oh. Pay your camping fee within 30 minutes of arrival. What do you pay? I'm not paying. Or maybe if I find a place to pay, I'll pay. So that's it. Leave no trace. Take in what you take out what you bring in. Pets must be on leash. There's no drinking water available. You got to bring your own. I brought my own. Here's a map. Oh, terrible. Here's a map of the place. And fireworks prohibited. Somerset airfield. Soon. There we go. So that's pretty much the lay of the land. There's fire rings on the grass. And to kind of pull up and pick a spot. You got some campers here.
Your destination is on the right.
Ooh, another toilet over here. No camping next 3/4 mile. Maybe hold on, turn around. Figure this out. There we go. Keep your forest clean. Camping 14-day limit. Do not litter. So let's try down this road. We always got that one spot we know we can go back to, but maybe there's something better. Okay, this is what we're looking for. Oh, people there. So I guess those little signs. That's just a trail. Little bridge. All right, I'll be right back with you. So this looks just about as far as you can go. As far as I feel comfortable going. Let's see. I'm gonna back into a spot right here and check it out. Okay, spot number 2. It's a little less claustrophobic. We got a nice nice view of the woods. Got another fire pit. Looks like someone was having a party. A White Claw party. This is cool. I mean, it's pretty flat. It's not like I have to stay in one spot. This one will work. This one will work. I just like it's a little more open. And there's trails that go down, but I just, we'll see. All right. Pull back a little more. Set it up. The rain's picking up. Kind of staying under the... I have a tent that attaches to my hatchback, but... maybe I could just take a nap. We'll figure out something. Okay, new game plan. This one's called, this one's called Sit in Your Car and watch movies on Amazon Prime that you downloaded earlier so you could watch offline in case it rains all day. Yeah. I mean, this is something I do at home on a rainy day. Just curl up and watch movies. But I didn't download any scary movies because I already have an overactive imagination. And I don't need any zombies or slasher films right now. So I got comedies and Spider Noir with first season with Nicolas... motion sensor light with Nicolas Cage. All right. Talk to you later. At least I get to open my car door and see this. The canopy. Slow rolling. Slow rolling.